Welcome student. Today I discuss algebra. So what do you mean by the algebra? You know already the arithmetic part in the class 6 or 7 I.C.S.E board and C.B.S.E board or the West Bengal board, the algebra is starting. So algebra, this is a new concept in case of mathematics. Already you know the arithmetic 1, 2, 3, 4, all of the numerical part. You don't accustom with the x, y, z, a, b, c, d. Okay. So now what is the main concept of the algebra? Suppose I write down all these things here. This is the basic concept of the algebra, the fundamental concept of algebra. Okay. So algebra basically is the two part. One is called the constant part or the numerical part, and one is called the variable or literal part. This is a very important thing. They are very important thing. You already know in case of arithmetics, you know 7, 8, 9, and you add it 7 plus 8, 8 16 8 সাথে 15. So 9 minus 2, this is 7. These are the operation. These are the operation in case of arithmetic. There is no x, no y, that will be confused. তোমরা এটা কনফিউজড হয়ে যাবে। তোমরা এতদিন শিখেছো কি 7 আর 8 ফর্মুলা, 9 minus 2 7. These all the concept of the arithmetic, and these actually called the plus, minus, multiply and division. These are called the operation system. This called operation. That means এটা দিয়ে আমরা যোগ বিয়োগ গুণ ভাগ করে আমরা ম্যাথমেটিক্স গুলো সলভ করতে পারি। ওকে, but here now is a new concept. This called the algebra. This is actually very confused. What is 7x? What is 9x? What is 7? Suppose you write here 7x or 9y. So confused. 7x, 9y. This is the introduction of the algebra. And here is 7 is called actually the numerical part. 7. Separately, 7 is the numerical part or constant part. And this is the x. X is called the variable. 7 is why the numerical and the constant? Because 7, the value of 7 is always 7. Each and everywhere the value of 7 is always 7. But x, this called the variable. What do you mean by the variable? Variable is vary. A value to change. Suppose maybe x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 9. হতে পারে। So maybe this, for that reason, this called the variable. Or the literal part is x, y, z, a, b, c, d. This called the literal. Now the combination of two, that is the introduction of the algebra. The basic concept of the algebra is this. Ultimately, this is the arithmetical part. 7x, 7 plus 10. This is 17. This actually the arithmetical part. Operation is plus. 15 into 3, 3 15 45. These all are the arithmetical. আমরা পাটিগণিত এগুলো শিখেছি, but in case of algebra, the new concept a, b, c, x, y, z. Okay, so now the two parts are there. For that reason, I just write down all these things here. So one is called the constant or numerical part, and other is called the variable or literal part. Variable means the value is changed. X may be 2, x may be 3, a, the value of a is 2, or the value of a is 10. So these actually the variable. The value is not fixed. এটা কিন্তু fixed value নয়. But here is 7 is always 7, minus 3 is always minus 3, 2 by 5, root 2 and pi. This also a constant, but you know pi, the value of pi is actually, value of pi is always 22 by 7. Okay, so this part. Okay, now the first algebra considers this. Now what do you mean by the algebraic expression? Algebraic expression, collection of constant and variable connected by addition, subtraction, multiply, division. Clear? Collection of constant and variable connected by addition. Suppose 7 plus x. Collection of constant and variable, this is the variable, connected by addition, that is actually called the algebraic expression. if you just write 7 minus y, collection of constant and variable separated by subtraction. So this also called a algebraic expression. If you write 10x, that means actually 10 into x. So collection of constant and variable connected by multiplication. So this actually call you, they say that 10x is the algebraic expression, or you write 12 by y, or you write y by 10. These are all the algebraic expression, because y divided by 10 here is 12 divided by 1. So clear what you mean by the algebraic expression? Clear? Now, so repeat, algebra, the main thing, the constant and the variable, which one is constant, this is the variable, and what is algebraic expression? Collection of constant and variable connected by addition, subtraction, multiply, division. Clear? তোমাদের কাছে clear? Now the next thing is the term. What do you mean by a term? Which one? You call the term. Now algebraic expression separated. First one, you form an algebraic expression. This one is the, suppose this one is 2x is an algebraic expression. Just I clearly write. So for better understanding, I clearly write it. First one, in which way the algebra is formed. Now the term. Term means, suppose algebraic expression separated by plus or minus. Very important thing. First you write the algebraic expression. 2x is an algebraic expression separated by 7, suppose. Algebraic expression separated by plus or minus to form a term. So this is a term. 2x, this is a term. 2x minus 3y, this is a term. If there is multiply or division, that is called the monoterm. Okay. So algebraic expression separated by plus or minus, you develop a term. Suppose 2x is a term, but you develop 7y. This is the two term separated by 3z. This is the third term, 1, 2, 3 terms. Okay, in this way, minus, suppose minus 10p. This is the fourth term, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth term. Okay, in this way. So term is developed by the addition or subtraction. Term is developed. So one is the algebraic expression, and this algebraic expression is separated by plus or minus to form terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Now here, monomials. Mono means one. In case of the Latin word, mono means the one. Monomials, that means only one term. Only one term. Suppose this 2x, only one term. This is only one term. 2x. 2 into x. This not separated. This not separated. Very important. 2 into x, actually 2x. But you write 2 minus x. This is the two terms. One term and two term. This is very important. Don't to be confused. Don't to be confused. Okay. That is the very important thing. Here, suppose 4y. This is only one term. Term is developed only the plus or minus. Here is 4y means 4 into y. 4 into y. These actually one terms, mono terms. But when you write 4 plus y, that is the two term. Separated by plus or minus. Two terms. Very carefully you understand. Okay. In this way the term is developed. First term, one term, two term, three term. That is increased by only the plus or minus. If you write 5 minus y, this also two term. First term, second term. But if you write 5 into y, this is only one term. Clear? Or you write 5 by y, this is also one term. The term is developed only that is separated by plus or minus, not multiply or division. Clear? So now here, mononomial, mono means one. In case of the Latin word, mono, tri, di, tetra, bi, mono terms. Mononomial means one term, 2x only. Here is minus 7. This is the multiple relation. So one terms, minus 7 x square by 2. This total is the one term. Okay. Now, binomial is two terms. Two terms. One is 5x square y. This is one term and separated by minus. So this total is, this is a two terms, first term and second term. Here is also an example, first term and second term, two terms are there. This is called the binomials. Clear? Now trinomial, tri means three terms. This one term, two terms, three, separated by plus plus. So this is the first term, second term, third term. Okay, and these actually separated, these actually single, this is the algebraic expression. This is an algebraic expression, this also an here is the numerical part. So one thing is not x or y or z. If you write here is a, so these also new numerical and the constant. Okay, so three terms, first term, second term, third term. Multinomials means actually two or more terms, we say the multinomials. Clear? Multinomial, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Multinomials. Clear? Okay? Very important thing, very important. Multiplication and division, write down here. Multiplication and division do not separate the terms. Do not separate the terms. Okay? Of algebraic expression. Here, 5x square y, the division is the, this actually whole is the one term. Whole is the one term. It cannot separate the two terms. Or this minus 7x square y, this is the multiple relation. This actually as a whole, this is the one terms. Very important thing is this. Very important thing. This is the very important thing. Multiply or division do not separate the terms. Here, but here 5x square y plus 7x. This is the two terms separated by plus. Two terms. And this 3x minus 4y is also two terms because separated by minus 5. Okay. So this is the basic concept of the algebra, the basic concept. Next video, I just introduce so many basic concept in algebra. So today is this. Now the next video, I will develop the different like term, unlike term, coefficient, factors, okay, polynomials, okay, discuss later. Okay. So this is the very important thing. If you understand this, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you, student. Thank you.